don't know what to tell y'all, boy, but if y'all got a G-body, might want to sell it, man. That Goblin right there, y'all hear that thing humbling?
What they know about the KandyonChrome line? What they know about the KandyonChrome line? The Kandy Chrome, the Kandy Chrome.
All about the detail. Like my dog Drive 219 says, all about the detail. Green Goblin got plenty of detail. Got them roosters on there. Disc brakes all the way around. Top of the line, everything. Roosie in the doors, roosie in the headrest. Got the floating roosie caps on it. So we don't know if them caps will hold up to 150, 160, but we gonna try. So can't get no better than that. Just a little small block, man, not much. Can't tell y'all what size. Like Murph said, can't tell you what size. Nice little foggy kit, man. Ain't much. Ain't much. Pretty penny in here, man. Front to back, everything on this car brand new. Everything there, ain't nothing from this car factory. From door handles to every emblem, to every window, every molding, everything on this car is brand new. Y'all want to see it? Y'all can take a look. Come compare however y'all want to do it. We got it. There's plenty of it. Man, I don't know what to tell y'all, boy, but if y'all got a G-body, might want to sell it, man. That Goblin right there, y'all hear that thing humbling? man, that's that green Goblin. A lot of y'all G-bodies on rims, better watch out.
Y'all damn sure
Black
better
blur.
watch out.
Y'all better watch out.
Watch out, bro. B-Town finest. You in Beach, Florida. You in the building. There you go. Shit.
To the day I die, but it ain't no Regal out there right now. And this might hurt some feelings, but it ain't no Regal out there right now that want to see the Goblin. From the motor to the paint to the rims to the suspension, frame off, coilovers all the way around, whatever you want to call it. It ain't no G-body out there that wants some of the Goblin right now. Y'all want to pull up, compare, pull up, post up, take pictures, whatever. Y'all don't want that Goblin.
Hey, my paint got you mesmerized, beat got you hypnotized. Shorty's always asking